In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a sensor using the sensor library in ArtemiS SUITE. With binaural recording systems, a proper binaural equalization must be used. In order to make a recording with a calibrated measurement device such as either an HSU or BHS2 outside of the assigned front end, a new sensor must be created with the proper calibration values and custom equalization filters enabled. I will walk you through the process of creating a binaural sensor. However, the process is identical when creating sensors for other data acquisition methods. Located in ArtemiS SUITE, the sensor library contains a comprehensive database of around 1,200 sensors. These include microphones, accelerometers, impact hammers, and many others. All sensors created can be saved as a custom sensor library that can then be used for other measurements or projects on a different system. To create a new sensor, open ArtemiS SUITE. Once opened, navigate to the Acquisition menu. Under Preparation, select Sensor Library. This brings you to the main page and workspace for a new sensor library. We will create a new sensor by selecting Add Analog Sensor. This will open a menu with sensor type options. For this example, an HSU 3.2 will be added to the library. To do so, select the binaural option for sensor type. Next, select the template of the binaural transducer you are using, so I will select the HSU 3.2. Once the template is selected, a Properties window will appear. All identifying information should be added for the sensor, including serial number, name, comments, calibration date, sensitivity, and finally any equalization files. Import all equalization files by selecting the appropriate EQ and properly navigating the File Explorer. Once the EQ is imported, a green checkmark will appear by the EQ. After all identifying information and equalization files are imported, save the sensor to add it to your sensor library. To export or save the sensor library, the blue Save As button can be pressed. The library can then be named to adequately describe the sensors contained and placed in a known and accessible spot in your file directory. Sensor libraries can then be imported to any analytical or acquisition software by Head Acoustics, including Head Recorder and ArtemiS SUITE.